So the Bold Adventure is a solution to a problem I encountered personally. And I really think it's a problem that most of us face at some point, especially as young adults. The problem was this: I knew I had this extraordinary calling on my life, but I had no idea how to pursue that calling. So back in 2007, I went on my first mission trip to Kampala, Uganda. I was there to lead worship with this team, but I spent most of my time hanging out with all the children running around. And so my heart ached for these children because I knew a lot of them didn't have parents, and I know personally the pain of losing a parent. So I felt connected to them, and in fact I felt so connected to them that when I returned home I felt more culture shock landing on the DC runway than the entire time I felt over in Uganda. It was like I had this new home and I belong there now and not back here in the US. So that was the first time I knew I had this extraordinary calling on my life to make a difference in the world by serving the poor in other countries, which is actually something I never thought I would do. And then in 2009, I was invited to go to Mexico with this organization I'd never heard of called Mission Discovery. Again, I was there to lead worship, but we were building homes for families. And I found myself hammering nails and teaching teenagers how to hammer nails and hanging out with all the kids in the colonia. And it was like my heart got reignited for that calling I'd felt 2 years earlier. And I knew I had to do something about that. So when I got back to Nashville, I called up Mission Discovery and I asked to meet with someone about this intense calling to be a missionary. And I wanted to be a missionary with Mission Discovery because I loved the way they worked in the community in Mexico. And I loved how they shared the love of Christ by being His hands and feet and working in very tangible ways to meet the needs of the poor. But when we finally met, they told me that even though they believed in my calling, they couldn't hire me at the time. And then they said, just keep praying. So that's what I did. I kept praying, and I prayed and I prayed and I prayed for 5 years. I held down restaurant jobs so I could leave whenever Mission Discovery called me. And I turned down jobs at churches because I knew that I had this work to do with Mission Discovery. And that 5 years was extremely difficult for me because I knew I had this extraordinary calling on my life, but I was over here working a restaurant job. And there was this huge gap in the middle there that I didn't know how to overcome. Eventually, I did start working with Mission Discovery. And one day the founder came up to me and he asked if I could take on this project called the Bold Adventure. Mission Discovery has always been known, and they've been around for 25 years, leading these 1-week mission trips for groups. But he wanted me to build a long-term mission trip. So I took on the project, and I prayed and I prayed and I prayed about what this thing was supposed to look like, because I knew it would be this long-term mission trip that young adults would go on looking for adventure and a purpose-driven life, and they would travel to serve others. And it wasn't until God gave me this particular word that the whole thing started coming into focus, and that word was discipleship. You know, Jesus calls us to make disciples of all nations. So when I discovered that this wasn't just a mission trip, but also a discipleship program, it was like I could feel my heart catching fire again, because that meant not only are we serving, but we're learning and we're growing deep roots into the kingdom of God and the calling Christ has laid on our hearts. And then I began building this program that I needed 5 years earlier. I remembered how painful it was for me to have this extraordinary calling on my life that I couldn't reach. And I knew I couldn't be the only person that felt that way. So I built the Bold Adventure for all of us, so we don't have to wait 5 years to live into our extraordinary calling. So really, that's what the Bold Adventure is all about.